So my major concern is why Femi Bolt? As in, because you said this is why you joined the business.
Yes.
So why Femi Bolt?
My little daughter, she's about 17 years,
Okay.
has been having this crisis, or they call it menstrual crisis, for a long time now. We have tried to use other medications, some drugs, but still, until a friend now recommended this Femi Bolt.
Who is this friend?
And she was just sitting by my side here. Just give us 3 sachets of the tea,
Okay.
which we gave to our daughter. In fact, it has become a thing of the past. Right now, menstrual cramps. Right now, if my daughter is having her time, I don't even know. It's really embarrassing. Before, you know, I feel irritated somehow, telling my wife, you know, but now I don't even know when it starts. I don't know when it was it end. And she loves it. She doesn't take drugs. Even the paracetamol, we have to, at times we break it or grind it before she can take it. But now, she just get up from the bed when the time comes. She just go out, get her tea, and make it, and she takes it and she feel okay. So I really say this is a wonderful product.
So this is the reason you partner with
This is the reason,
the company.
yes. So when she gave me the 3 sachets, I said, why not me get 1 pack? Which I did find, and also recommend to some females who also are telling me good testimony about this Femi Bolt.
That's a good
Thank you very
one.
much. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
I
sir.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
So which other product have you tried?
I have tried Vigor Bolt.
Vigor Bolt.
I was having health issues, stroke, and after some time now, it's like the sign is still there. Until when she also told me about the Vigor Bolt, I just used 1 pack of that Vigor Bolt, and it's the end of the story. I also recommend to other people who have the same stroke issues, and they're giving me good testimony about it. So I will recommend this product to everyone to take it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. All right.